Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Nova. Today we're going to be focusing in on our brand new live stream app, Aircast. What we're going to be covering today is 1, downloading the APK file, 2, logging into our app using our Nova login, 3, pairing up our drone controller to our drone and live streaming. Before we jump into our project, I want to let everybody know I'm actually using an Autel Evo 2 with my Autel controller. So from within our project, we're going to select on Create in the top left-hand corner, and then we'll select on Live Video. From here, you're going to have 2 options. 1, our previous live stream with the 6-digit code that I've showed you before, and now our brand new Aircast. Once selected, you'll be prompted with a new URL. Using my controller, I'm going to select on Chrome, and then I'll be punching in the URL provided by Nova. Once our URL is punched in, all we have to select is download in the bottom right. And then if you swipe down in the top left-hand corner, you're going to see that the APK file is being downloaded to the controller. I'll now select on the gray check mark, and from here I can install the app on my controller. Once installed, I'll select on Open, and all I have to do now is enter my email and password. Once we select on Start, it'll bring us into our Aircast home screen. On the left-hand side, if I select on Choose Project, I can select on the project I want to be working in. And on the right-hand side, I have my share list where I can share my email list or phone number list that I've created within my Nova workspace. Once that's done, all I have to do is hit confirm. Now, all I have to do is select on Start to begin my live stream. You'll notice that there's 3 different buttons: our Open Autel Explorer, Share, and End Stream. Once I open my Autel controller, it will then bring me to my flight view where I can open my camera and begin the live stream. Once a live stream is started, it will appear on the left-hand side of our screen within our project. If I select on it, it will bring it into a minimized view. And if I want to go into a full screen view, I can select on the full screen button in the top left-hand corner. And now all I have to do is begin flying, and everybody who has this link will be able to see exactly what I'm seeing. To go back to Nova, I can select on the square in the bottom right-hand corner or swipe up. I can then swipe over, select on the live stream feed, and this is where we have the option to share with more people, or we can end the stream. I'll now be ending my stream so you guys can see what it looks like within Nova. And once our live stream is processed, it will be embedded within Nova. To go back to my controller, if I do want to start another live stream, all I have to do is select on Start Another Live Stream, make sure I'm in the right project, and click on Start again. The cool thing about Aircast is I actually don't need to keep punching in that 6-digit code. I can just start a new live stream straight from the controller itself. That concludes everything for Nova's new Aircast. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Even if you want a tutorial, I would love to walk you guys through everything. But nonetheless, have a wonderful day.